Namaskar. On December 11, 2014, the United Nations General Assembly declared June 21st as International Day of Yoga. Since 2015, this day has been celebrated across the world with great enthusiasm, reflection, and joy. This global recognition of yoga was made possible due to tireless effort of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, who presented India's timeless knowledge to the world with clarity and conviction. The Ministry of Ayush has played a very important role in expanding yoga's reach through grassroots campaigns, international collaboration, and public health initiatives. Their work ensures that yoga is not confined to elite circle but becomes a way of life for people from all walks of life. This year's theme, Yoga for One Earth, One Health, reminds us of our shared responsibility. Our personal health cannot be separated from the health of earth. What we eat, how we breathe, the water we drink, and the thoughts we carry, each of these have an impact on both ourselves and the world around us. This is the essence of yoga. At a time when anxiety, burnout, and lifestyle changes and lifestyle diseases are increasing, yoga reminds us to slow down and breathe. It supports physical health to better circulation, digestion, flexibility, and immunity. But if you are confused how to start your journey in yoga, let me guide you today. Here are 5 simple daily practices that support your body, mind, emotions, and inner spirit. First is Mita Ahara. If you can be disciplined about food, you can be disciplined about anything. This is the first step towards the yogic life. How, when, and how much you eat impacts not only your digestion, but your energy level, emotions, and clarities of your thoughts. The principle of Mita Ahara is eat only till your stomach is half full, leaving 25% for water and 25% for air. This is not only a guideline for digestion, it is a mindset of self-restraint. When you stop eating before you are full, you cultivate a mental discipline which extends to other areas of your life too. Some additional tips for you are: sit down in a quiet, settled way before you begin eating. Avoid excess oil, sugar, or packaged food. Choose fresh, seasonal, and sattvic food like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and nuts. Eat slowly without distraction. Chew thoroughly and with gratitude. When you discipline your tongue, you automatically discipline all your senses. A person who eats mindfully becomes more alert, emotionally balanced, and less reactive. Asanas are the second step of your holistic wellness plan. Every day, try to devote at least 25 minutes of yours for asanas, for mind and body wellness. If you cannot, then at least 10 minutes and practice 2-3 asanas of your choice. The simplest asana you can start is Talasana and then move on to Balasana and Adho Mukh Svanasana. For others who can commit more time, focus on spinal asana, which twists your body. Your spine is the central support system of your body. Stiff spine leads to poor circulation, sluggish organ, and a dull mind. A flexible, strong spine is a foundation for vitality, good posture, and internal health. Every day, practice these 3 essential spinal movements. Ardha Matsyendrasana to activate abdominal organ and release stiffness in the back. Paschimottanasana to stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, aid in rest and digestion. Bhujangasana to strengthen the back muscles and improve posture and respiratory function. Then include gentle poses for digestive health like Pavan Muktasana to release trapped gas and ease abdominal tension. Vajrasana to calm the digestive system and help after meals. These few daily asanas, when done with the awareness and breath, can bring significant changes to your body. They improve digestion, improve immunity and circulation and organ function. And more importantly, they make you feel alive and present. The third step for you is Pranayam. Pranayams will help you cultivate mindfulness. Slow, steady breathing cultivates calmness, balance, and concentration. To start the day with Yogendra Anulom Vilom Pranayam, this balances the two hemispheres of the brain, calms the nervous system, and prepares you for a focused, composed day. It also enhances oxygenation and removes toxins from your blood. Just 5 to 7 minutes in the morning can clear mental fog and energize your system. End your day with Yogendra Pranayam number 4. Lie down comfortably and practice deep breathing through your belly. This activates the diaphragm, slows the heart rate, and reduces cortisol, the stress hormone. Just 5 minutes before bed is enough to improve sleep, reduce inflammation, and soothe anxiety. Pranayam is your most powerful daily tool to regulate emotions, sharpen memory, and maintain mental hygiene. Now with step 4, let's learn to organize your thoughts with Pratipaksha Bhavana. Your thoughts shape your reality. If you constantly dwell on fear, complaint, or comparison, your inner world will become heavy and restless. Pratipaksha Bhavana is a yogic technique of consciously replacing negative thoughts with positive ones. For every limiting belief, plant 2 empowering thoughts. For example, when your mind thinks, I am not good enough, change it to I am learning and I am trying my best. Or the thought, this is too difficult, change it to let me begin small and I am growing through this. This is not about a blind optimism. It is about cultivating mental strength and emotional intelligence. You train your mind to see possibility, to be kind, to stay open. And finally, you have Ishvarapranidhana. It is not about religion. It is about choosing to have a faith that whatever happens, you are being supported by a power higher than you. It is not about blind faith, but about cultivating the right attitude of your life. In the Yoga Sutra, Maharshi Patanjali defines this as an attitude of trust, humility, and faith. See, your life will never go exactly according to your plan. There will be effort and there will be uncertainty. But yoga teaches you that you are not alone. In every step, there is a divine support, a cosmic order gently guiding you. Your job is not to control everything. Your role is to do your best and let go of the rest with full trust. This faith frees you from fear and perfectionism. It gives you the courage to move forward. Take risk and face life with an open arm. Let yoga teach you how not to be driven by anxiety or guilt. Live your life from a place of inner faith. Believe that you are cared for, you are protected. Believe that you are growing and that everything is a part of a large purpose. These 5 principles form a daily rhythm for a healthy, harmonious life. They bring together body, breath, mind, and spirit in a way that gentle and yet transformative. So on the occasion of the 10th anniversary of the International Yoga Day, take a moment and remember that yoga is not about doing more. It is about doing even a smallest thing mindfully. It is not about withdrawal from life. It is about living more joyfully, more intelligently, more fully. Let this International Yoga Day inspire more than just participation. Let it awaken in you a commitment to live with awareness, balance, and grace. Let it be a movement towards life, not away from it. This is what it means to live yogically, with purpose, balance, and deep inner joy. Namaskar.